Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jules Emily, and before you go any further in this video, please don't forget to join the Jules Emily family. As you guys can see by the title, today's video will be about the new Charlotte Tilbury Science Plus Color Beautiful Skin Sun-Kissed Glow Bronzer. On the carton, it says it's known for soothing, healthy-looking glow cream bronzer for face and body infused with hyaluronic acid plus vitamin D. So this is what the carton looks like, very big, and this is the packaging of the cream bronzer. Now this cream bronzer is priced at £42. It does come in 4 shades. I did pick up the shade 3 Tan, and let's open it for you guys to see what it looks like. Now this is basically what the cream bronzer looks like. I love the swirls that it has, but we all know it's not gonna last that long. But for the most part, it looks very luxe. But 0.74 ounces. Now I don't have a lot of cream bronzers to compare it to, but another cream bronzer that I do own that I'm in love with is the cream bronzer from Huda Beauty in medium, and this one says to have 0.38 ounce. So right off the bat, we know that Charlotte Tilbury one is very much bigger. This one is priced, I'll put the price for this one so you can compare prices and so on for that. And this one is my holy grail. As you can see, I've reached pan bottom with it. This is the powder bronzer from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the cream bronzer. And let me just open them side by side so you guys can see what they look like, because I will be using both of them together. So this is the cream and this is the powder. And once again, this is 3 Tan and this is dark in the powder. This is basically how the cream bronzer looks like compared to the bronzer. Side by side. Now I'm going to swatch the both of them side by side for you guys to see a comparison. All right off the bat, this is so creamy, and that is a swatch of the 3 Tan. Now going in with the powder bronzer in the shade dark, and that's how they look side by side. And I'm gonna swatch it with my all-time favorite cream bronzer from Huda Beauty, so you guys can see a difference in color if you guys do own the Huda Beauty one. So this one is the Huda Beauty and this one is the Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm gonna just put that on top. Okay, so this is the Huda Beauty and this is the Charlotte Tilbury cream bronzer. And let's just put it on the face and see what we are working with. So taking the cream bronzer, and I'm just gonna place it where I'd normally place my bronzer. To me, the color is perfect. I ain't gonna lie, the color is perfect. I really wouldn't change it. I haven't highlighted my face yet either. Hope I don't forget. Yeah, this color is perfect. And guys, when I say it is so creamy, I really mean it. So creamy. Guys, I have not put on my concealer as yet, so I'll do that right now quickly. I'm taking my HMB Cosmetics concealer, which is my all-time favorite concealer, in the shade SF3W. I'm just gonna use a little bit. I'm also gonna take the shade SFW. blend this out. I'm gonna take my peaches and cream brush in PC21 to blend out this cream bronzer. Okay, now I'm gonna blend out this cream bronzer, just pushing that into the skin. And guys, look how effortlessly this is a blending. Oh my gosh, disappeared. And do bear in mind, look how long it was sitting on my face for. At least you know, if you are someone that applies your concealer and a bronzer slowly, at least you know you can allow it to sit. Blends out like a dream. Just using the angled part of the brush to just bring this down. Guys, so look how seamlessly the cream bronzer has blended out. Like, I'm gonna take my Jordana Tissia powder. This is a double component, but I'm gonna take the loose powder and I'm going to set my concealed areas. I love this powder. Gives a nice, beautiful my face is looking nice and bronzified. Now it's only right to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury powder bronzer in dark. And with this one, a little bit goes a long way. So, yes. I'm gonna be looking so bronzified today because today is meant to be 25 degrees, if I'm not mistaken. Today is the 21st. 21st of May. I'm just setting basically where I put the bronzer on. Hey guys, so I'm back and this is the final look that I'm working with. I must say that I'm pleasantly happy with this bronzer. For my pros with this cream bronzer, my pros are, I love the packaging. It gives me 5-star. It feels very luxe. It has weight to it. It feels very luxurious. Now, I feel like you do get a lot of product in this bronzer comparing to my other favorite, even though I do not own a lot of cream bronzers. The reason for me not owning a lot of cream bronzers is because as a mom, if I can skip a step in makeup, I will. But if I feel like being a bit extra, I will incorporate cream bronzers. But as you can see by my other one, I was using that a lot for me to reach the bottom of it. So that being said, the third thing about this bronzer, I love how creamy the formula is. It is superb. And next pro is I love the color of the bronzer. The color of the bronzer is very immaculate. I love that you got the color right, if that makes sense. It's not too orange, it's not too cool, it is just right. And another pro, it's a 0.5 or a star is knocked off. It's because of the price point. I know that Charlotte Tilbury is a luxury brand, but why is the bronzer more expensive than the foundation? Why? The foundation costs £35 if I'm not mistaken, or £34 if I'm not mistaken, and this bronzer is £42. So why is that? Why Charlotte Tilbury? Why? And one thing I do love about Charlotte Tilbury though, I feel like it is very accessible. You can purchase this foundation from Charlotte Tilbury's main site. You can purchase it from Cult Beauty. You can purchase it from John Lewis, Selfridges, Feel Unique, and I think a few others. If you're based in the US, I believe that you can purchase this bronzer at Ulta and Sephora, if I'm not mistaken. So yes, I do love how bronzified I look. As I mentioned, today is going to be very hot, so I feel like my face is looking sun-kissed ready. Okay guys, so I'm gonna close off this video. Please comment down below your thoughts and opinion on this cream bronzer from Charlotte Tilbury. Is it something that you are interested in purchasing, or is it something that you're going to pass on? Let me know in the comments. Let's build a conversation in the comment section. So I'll see you all there. Bye until next time.